Hey, good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. It's going to end up being May 5th. This is going to be the answer to warm-up number 25. If you end up looking at it, it says select the values of R below that represent a low or no correlation. I rewrote it over here. Don't know if you've actually watched the video for this section yet, so this problem might have been pretty tough because there's multiple answers. If you end up looking at it, R is in between -1 and 1, okay? So if it's low to no correlation, it's going to be really close where R is or the number 0, okay? Looking at my very first one, 0.8, that's super close to 1. I mean, we're just zero point 0.2 away from getting to 1 whole. So we would not mark that. That would be a high correlation, not a low or no correlation. It would be a high correlation. 0.3, we're going to put a check next to that because it's close to like 0.5, which would be in the middle. But because it's under that, I would go this is a low correlation. So 0.3 is low because it is closer to R or 0 in this case. 0.1, same type of thing. That's going to be super close to 0. So we're going to mark that because that will be a low correlation. Negative 0.2, it's getting closer to -1, but it's still closer to 0. Okay, so we're trying to find numbers that are close to 0. That would mean it would have low or no correlation to what is taking place. Looking at the next one, -1/2 or -0.5, that's going to be right in the middle. So that is not a low or no correlation, okay? Because it is right in the middle. Anything that would be low or no correlation is pretty much 0.3 or lower or -0.3 or lower. +1, that will definitely end up being high correlation because it equals 1. And -0.001, that's super low. That's going to be really, really close to 0. So that would almost be no correlation at all. All right, that's going to be your answer, guys. Send me email messages if you have any questions at all this week. It is just going to end up watching videos and doing daily warm-ups. That is it. First period, seventh period, you guys did an amazing job this past week. Almost everybody completed that assessment and did rather well on it. Guys, I'm putting huge curves on these assessments. I'm doing the best I can, trying to meet you in the middle. Some of you guys haven't even logged on to Algebra Nation yet. We're like 4 weeks into it. The majority of your grade is coming from those assessments. Remember, I will be dropping one of those grades. Okay? So if you have like an 80, a 90, a 100, and then you have like a 20% on one, I'm going to drop the lowest one at the end of the term. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'm going to drop the lowest one. Um, right now, you either have 1 or 2 more assessments left. You will have a Section 10 assessment in 2 weeks, and you may or may not do the Section 4 assessment. I'm really trying to get a feel for it because it's like right on the last day of school. And if we were in school, I can tell you guys right now, I wouldn't be giving you stuff like that. So I'm still trying to figure out that last week if I'm going to give you the Section 4 assessment or not. Keep up the good work. Message me, email me if you guys have any questions. I'm going to send tons of emails out today to parents, to students saying, hey, you got a low grade. You need to step it up. We need to figure it out. All right. I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day.